Almost 90% of car owners are driving around with features and tricks they never use, even though some of them can save real money, prevent a breakdown, or stop a small problem from turning into a $3,000 repair. One of the secrets in this video can even help you avoid getting stranded with a dead key fob when you're already late and stuck outside your car. Here are 8 car secrets you 100% need to know, and trust me, the #1 trick on this list can save you money every single month. Let's begin now with secret number 8. Secret number 8, the hidden fuel gauge arrow. You borrow a family car, rent a vehicle on a trip, or buy a newer car, then pull into a gas station and suddenly realize you have no clue which side the fuel door is on. Now you're guessing, pulling up on the wrong side, and looking like you're learning how gas stations work for the first time. But here's what they don't tell you. On many cars, there is a tiny arrow right beside the gas pump symbol on your dashboard. That little arrow points to the side of the car where your fuel door is located. If the arrow points left, your gas tank is on the left. If it points right, it's on the right. It takes about 2 seconds to check, and once you notice it, you will never forget it again. Here's the kicker. This tiny trick becomes even more useful when you're driving a rental car or someone else's car, because it saves you from that awkward stop, reverse, and reposition move at a crowded gas station. But wait, if that hidden feature just blew your mind, this next trick could save you from calling a locksmith. Secret number 7. The manual key hidden inside your key fob. Your key fob dies at the worst time, maybe in a parking lot, outside your office, or in the rain when you just want to get home. You hit the unlock button and nothing happens. Most drivers panic right there and think they are locked out for good. But here's how it actually works. Many modern key fobs have a real metal key hidden inside the plastic shell. There is usually a tiny slider or release button on the back. Press it, and the key slides out. That key can open the driver door through a hidden keyhole, which is often tucked under a small cover near the handle. Once you're inside, many push-button start cars still let you start the engine if you hold the dead fob close to the start button. The chip inside the fob can still be read even when the battery is weak or dead. Here's the kicker. A simple coin battery for most fobs costs less than $10, so this trick not only gets you back in the car, it can also save you an $80 to $150 emergency unlock bill. You'd be very much surprised by this next myth. Secret number 6. The loose gas cap that turns on the check engine light. Nothing makes drivers nervous faster than seeing that check engine light pop on. Your mind goes straight to expensive repairs, shop bills, and bad news. But here's what they don't tell you. On many cars, one of the most common reasons for that light is a gas cap that is loose, worn out, or not sealing right. Your car's fuel system is designed to stay sealed, and if vapors escape because the cap is not tight, the car reads that as a fault and triggers the warning light. Before you assume the worst, pull over safely, remove the cap, then tighten it until it clicks a few times. If the rubber seal looks cracked, replace the cap. Most replacements cost less than $20. In many cases, the light shuts off after a bit of normal driving once the system checks itself again. Here's the kicker. This means a problem that feels like a $300 shop visit can sometimes be fixed in under a minute with a part cheaper than lunch. Trust me, this next one will shock you. Secret number 5. The fast way to clear a foggy windshield. You're driving on a cold morning, or in heavy rain, and suddenly your windshield fogs up so badly that the road ahead looks blurry and dangerous. A lot of people just crank the heat and wait, thinking that is the only fix. But here's how it actually works. Fog forms because moisture inside the car sticks to the cold glass. The fastest way to get rid of that moisture is to turn on the air conditioner while setting the air to warm and aiming it at the windshield. The AC dries the air, and the heat warms the glass, so together they clear the fog much faster than heat alone. On many cars, pressing the front defrost button does this for you automatically. You can also crack the window slightly for a few seconds to let damp air escape. Here's the kicker. Knowing this trick can clear your glass in under a minute, which is a lot better than driving half blind and hoping the windshield sorts itself out. Now, for a secret car feature that'll make life easier. Secret number 4. Premium gas is not always better. A lot of drivers think paying more for premium fuel means the engine runs cleaner, stronger, and smoother no matter what car they drive. It sounds smart, so people keep doing it year after year. But here's the deal. Premium fuel only helps when your engine is built for it. Some high-performance or turbocharged engines need higher octane fuel to stop knocking under pressure. But if your owner's manual says regular gas is fine, then premium is just extra money leaving your wallet. You're not buying bonus horsepower for a regular family sedan. You're just paying more per gallon for something your engine does not need. Over time, that can add up to $200 or even $300 a year depending on how much you drive. Here's the kicker. The best fuel for your car is not the most expensive one. It is the one your manufacturer recommends, because that is what the engine was designed to use in the first place. If you made it here, we'll appreciate liking the video. It'll help us do more car tips videos. But wait, if that hidden feature just blew your mind, this next trick could save your brake system before it gets expensive. Secret number 3. Your brake pads warn you before they fail. A lot of drivers hear a sharp squeal from the brakes and assume something is already badly damaged. Then they keep driving because the car still stops, hoping the noise just goes away. But here's what they don't tell you. That squeal is often a built-in warning sound. Many brake pads have a small metal tab attached to them. As the pad gets thin, that tab touches the rotor and creates a loud squeal to tell you the pads are wearing out. It is your car asking for attention before the damage gets serious. If you ignore that warning too long, the pad material can wear down completely, and then metal starts grinding on metal. That is when a simple brake job turns into a bigger repair with rotor replacement, which can push the bill into the $400 to $600 range on some vehicles. Here's the kicker. If you act early, you may only need pads, and that small timing difference can save you a few $100s. Wait until you hear about this next hidden gem. Secret number 2. The reason your AC smells bad every spring. You turn on your air conditioning after months of not using it, and instead of cool, clean air, your car smells like damp socks and old mildew. Most people think the whole AC system is failing. But here's what they don't tell you. That smell often comes from moisture left behind on the evaporator inside the system. When the car sits for long periods, that damp area becomes a perfect place for mold and bacteria to grow. The easy fix starts with your habits. A couple of minutes before you reach your destination, turn the AC off, but leave the fan running. That helps dry out the moisture before you park. Then check your cabin air filter, because a dirty filter can trap dust, hold moisture, and make the smell even worse. Most cabin filters cost around $15 to $30 and can be changed in a few minutes on many cars. Here's the kicker. A bad AC smell does not always mean a big repair. Sometimes it means your car just needs a dry-out routine and a fresh filter. And now, the number 1 secret that almost nobody uses, even though it can save money on parts and fuel at the same time. Secret number 1. Smooth braking can make your brakes last much longer. Most drivers rush toward red lights, brake late, and press the pedal hard at the last second. It feels normal because so many people drive that way every day. But here's how it actually works. Every hard stop creates a lot of heat and friction, and that heat wears down your brake pads and rotors faster. When you look farther ahead, lift off the gas sooner, and press the brake smoothly instead of stomping on it, you reduce that heat and spread the stopping force over a longer distance. That means less wear on your brakes and a calmer drive for everyone in the car. A full brake job can cost $300 to $600 per axle. So getting extra life out of your pads really matters. Here's the kicker. Smooth braking also helps fuel economy in city driving, because you're not constantly accelerating hard and then throwing that energy away with sudden stops. One small change in driving style can save money again and again without buying a single part. So those are 8 car secrets that can save you money, time, and a lot of stress. Which of these did you already know? Drop the number in the comments and tell us which one surprised you the most. Subscribe for more car tips, hidden features, and simple tricks that make owning a car a whole lot easier.